a new addition to the sheep pen and an easy way to make money with sheep and goats. That's what I'm going to talk about today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And because I like to live off the land, I want to use whatever is on my farm in order to not only for eating, but for building things. So I'm here in my sheep pen now, and I wanted to show you a little bit of an expansion on what we've done using the materials from our farm. Uh, if I'm not able to use the materials here, I will buy from a local place or get things free or cheap, like some of the wood here. And I'm going to show you here. I'm here. They're not going out to pasture yet, but here are a few of my sheep. So this is the new addition that was built, and it's mainly for the goats, because we've learned that the goats like to be up, and they get more sick on the ground and get sick quicker than sheep. I've experienced that. So this is just wood that we found on the farm, and bamboo here. That bamboo here that is also on the farm. So he made it nice and firm. It looks like the sheep though like it below. Hey guys, for just relaxing and sleeping. So this also makes more space here in the sheep pen. So as the flock grows, it just makes more room. So the goats could sleep up top, or the sheep if they want to go. And then I have another pen here that we use when we have a pregnant one or baby here. But we also use it when we don't, for getting our compost ready for the garden, and using the Frigidaire roast. Look at you, huh? How are you, huh? So the other thing I wanted to discuss is the reason behind expanding here. Like I said, is growing the flock. But another way to make money with sheep and goats is when I breed and sell. So as they have more and more lamb, the ones that are male, I usually don't need. So when that occurs, which I have a few now, I will either trade them or sell them. And so my sheep are here to work my land and help me with fertilizer. And when they do breed, it's just, again, another asset to have. And look at this one. You want to headbutt me, huh? You're too cute. Go ahead. No, no. Or do you want my boots? Huh? Don't headbutt me. And there's a little chuckle. And so, yeah, selling off the males is an additional way. And it's an easy way, because if you're already breeding and you want to expand your flock, and you don't need the males, because you can't rebreed them with what's in your flock. So it's an easy way to make extra money in just selling them. So yeah, so that's what we're planning on doing. We've got a couple of they call them machos here, and I'm actually going to also get another male macho.